for coming back. This is part 3 of the micro workshop. Just a quick overview of what I've done and what's to follow. Remember the last 2 videos, I came from quite a mess into what I have here now. So pretty much gutted out the shed, it's going to be in our wood shop, and added styrofoam insulation so I can get a good heating in here in the winter time. I've got started here. I got this wall here pretty much done. Added some electrical receptacles here. Going to be some 20 amp for table saw and bandsaw, router, jointer, miscellaneous tools I will move around. And I'm also putting in some lighting up top here. I'll put some LED lights. I'm going to have 6 of them in this shed. This whole shed is about, I think it was 10 by 12, I think it was. Okay, electrical's under Canadian Electrical Code. Make sure you staple it within a foot of the box and bond the grounds in the box itself. You need at least 6 inches of wire coming out of the box. And you want to make sure you do proper pigtails on these. If you're in Canada, this is not allowed, where it's pass-through wiring. That's what you don't want. It's not allowed in most parts of Canada. And we've got the styrofoam all sealed up with tuck tape. So this is where we're at right now. And I'm just going to finish off this corner here, build the door, and finish the rest of the wiring. And there's my compressor for all my air tools. That's it for part 3. Stay tuned for part 4. Talk to you soon.